In lecture, I'm going to discuss how to achieve reverse of normalizer transformation in IICS Informatica. So this is the video lecture 23 is there. So here I'm using the source EMP and this is the record inside there. And after performing reverse normalizer transformation, we need to use here, we need to get this output. So here you can see 1 3 times and same and this is here. So HR is now this here in or row, and after performing that, that's convert into the columns. So let's see. So I already have the mapping that I created. Let's give for this mapping name m underscore normalizer transformation example. You should give any meaningful name. Let's write the reverse normalizer transformation example. And after that, here I'm going to show the first sources. So source, you can see I'm using HR com and here taking the EMP object. So this EMP object that I'm taking. And after that, here if you want to see, this is the record inside there. If you want to see the records, let's go on this field. And for records, you need to click on this preview data. So here data is now loading. So this is the data is there inside. And after that, here expression transformation that I'm using, and this place in the expression transformation, this is the incoming fields is there, and in expression transformation that I created authority output field. So this output field is there, and there I specify the condition if job equal to HR, then sal and null. If job value is now HR. So here you can see job HR, then this return the sal. If job that patient HR, then that return sal values. Okay, so this is there. If I go into this, here you can see if a statement, if this condition is true, then that return the salary. So if I do the validation, here you can see this is valid. And if I go click there, here you can see this is the output field. Output field is there. This is integer type, you can see. The same thing here, if I click on this color here, this is integer type. Integer type is there because here you can see this, or we need to get HR color peon. This all values is integer is there, so that I've taken the type is integer. So this is output field occurred, and the same condition there I applied if job equal to correct. So when that found job value is now correct, then that returns sal. So that here when that job, then sal value return. And the same thing I applied on the peon. This is peon name integer type, and this is also output field. And the same condition is there. So if job equal to peon, then that returns sal. So here, if that job that find the peon, then that returns sal. Okay. So this thing that I have done with the expression transformation. After that, I used their aggregator transformation. So let's see the properties that I set it in the aggregator. So this is here incoming field, this all. And first making EMP number and name in the group wise. So EMP number and the name, because this is duplicate, so that I make one group, and so that here there is no group data is there. There is no duplicate data is there. Okay. So that I make EMP number and name in the group wise. And after that, when I go on this aggregate, so here or there I again taken the output field, and here HR integer. So HR color peon. This all values we need to get here in integer format. So that I have taken their integer. And here, if I go on this, here you can see this is color. this is output field, integer is there, and peon is the same thing, peon, integer, and this is output field. After that, the next is here I specify the condition. So condition is now max of OHR. So that return first here max of OHR. So whatever the value in there, so max of highest value that return maximum of OHR value. So OHR that's come there, okay, and OHR that I use in the expression transformation. The same thing with color and pure. And in the advanced, because I want to get the output in the sorted format, so you need to enable this. So this you need to done with the aggregated transformation. After that, the next is target. Let's go there. So in current field, you can see this is the important thing is there. So we need to get the output like first is in EMP number, name, HR, color, peon. File we need to get EMP number, name, HR, color, and peon. This I have to take it. And so that I have excluded these jobs, cell, this all. So you need to also exclude by clicking this plus, then you can here exclude. So here you can get the option, then you should uncheck, then this will be exclude. So this included there, this exclude, 5 fields excluded. After that, let's click on this target, here flat file given, and here you need to give the object name, and after that, let's click on the save. So you can use flat file or any or relational tables, and when you click on this run button, so this is the mapping we have, and now let's click on this run. So mapping is now running. Let's click on this my jobs, and if you do the refresh, so this is now mapping is in running state. So this is success, 3 rows that processed. And when I click on this is the inside there raw data emp.txt file. So emp.txt file, now let's compare with this. So here you can see this is the incoming data, and after that you can get here this values. So this value it's now returned. Okay. So this is how we can do the reverse normalizer transformation using Informatica IICS. The important thing is that here all the fields is in capital letter, so that here you need to specify. Let's go on this mapping, and whatever the expression transformation you do, you must do anything here expression. So here everything must be in capital letter. Here you should give HR, clerk, peon all in the capital letter. Then you can get the expected output, or else this will give the mapping will fail. The same thing you applied there on this aggregated transformation, and if I go there, so this field incoming field, and whatever the field you are taking in the aggregated transformation, here this all in the capital letter, then you can get the expected output, and make sure the integer types of the data type must be same. So this is how we can perform aggregated reverse of normalizer transformation in IICS. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.